we are making homemade pizza. So we are going to see how to make pizza with cheese, pizza with chicken, and pizza with vegetables. So those are the measurements that I used. Hi everyone, thanks for watching. So here I used the glass to make the size that I wanted. With pizza you can make any shape you want. You can make anything of your choice. You can even make it in a rectangle shape, but for me I used the glass to make that shape as you are seeing it. And here I designed it with vegetables. I used black olives, green pepper, yellow pepper, and red pepper with the mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella is a very good cheese. If you have it, if you can get it, it is very good. Yeah. Before designing your pizza with the vegetables or chicken or cheese, you have to first rub it with pizza sauce. You start with pizza sauce, then vegetables. After vegetables, pizza cheese, then you bake. Baking time, it's between 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Yeah. I'm not using glass here because I wanted a big size, and I'm going to make pizza with cheese, without vegetables, without chicken. Baking time remains the same, whether small size, big size. Baking time is supposed to be between 20 to 35 minutes. boil it. Then you prepare your pan, put pizza sauce, chicken, after chicken, cheese. Then you bake same time, 25 to 30 minutes. That's it. Thanks so much for watching and following.